Hi everybody, Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Worry-free winners. Attention to our retiree investors or those wanting smooth left-to-right type trending stocks. We've done a lot of work here at VectorVest over the years, and we have a special search that we built specifically for retirees to find these worry-free winners, as the name implies. Stocks that are going up, that provide you with a bit of worry-free investing. At least that's the plan, to make sure we find those smooth left to right trending stocks to give you that peace of mind. Right now, just before we get going, to show you exactly what it's all about, our license numbers, there they are. In addition, please note, general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances or situations or needs. Please speak to your advisor for personal advice. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Now, with that said, let's jump straight into VectorVest. So within VectorVest here, we have this tool called UniSearch, and within that tool, we have searches for retirement purposes, and there is our one there, worry-free winners. Lots of different parameters. Don't worry about all those. I'll hide them just to concentrate on the write-up here. So the search finds those buy-rated stocks that are consistent, predictable earnings growth. So the earnings are rising, which is helping to drive the share price higher. So they've got good fundamentals behind them, and then we also throw in a whole lot of technical analysis in here to ensure that those stocks are not only strong fundamentally, but also technically they're moving up in price. So we're trying to put together the best combinations of both fundamentals and technicals with those upward trending stocks. And if you get a chance, you can read all this if you want to pause the video and have a look as to what it all entails. But just to keep it nice and simple, and so here are the parameters that drives it. So you can see good volume on average. All right, and the price must be above the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average must be above the 150-day moving average. So these are smart technical techniques, that we've used over the years to make sure that, you've got the momentum for those stocks. So the momentum is driving those higher. And anyway, so as of the 2nd of May, let's do this. Let's run the search. And I'm only showing the top one. I can show the top 5 or 10, whatever it might be, because I want you to take it a trial and go and discover the remaining other stocks that we currently have. All right, so I don't want to give it to you all here on a plate, because you might then say, well, I don't need VectorVest now. Thanks very much. I've got it all. I've then failed as a presenter here, because really, my objective is, and I'll be honest and open about it, my objective here is for you to take out a trial to VectorVest for 30 days and run some of these amazing searches for retirement purposes and see what you think. Trial out VectorVest, and you'll find some of the best retirement stocks out there each and every day in this wonderful searches retirement group. All right, so here's our top one, QBE Insurance. And if I graph this given stock, I'll show you why it jumps out. So let's pull it back just a tad here. All right, this is why it's noted as a worry-free winner. Sure, there are periods of time where it pulled back, but how does that general trend look over the last, what was that, 4 years and 4 months? It's gone from, what was it here, around about $10 up to $21. So it's doubled in price over the last 4 years. Remember, the search spoke about finding earnings that, that are rising. Well, let's have a look here. Certainly, look, rising earnings, rising share price. And what's interesting in here too, if I go and have a look at dividends, a lot of retirement searches, of course, dividends is very important. And you can see here, look how the dividends have been stepping up, and currently they're around about 4%. Let's see here, they're 20% franked, right? So those franking percentage of those franking credits are picking up, so you can get those franking credits there, but it's at 20%. franking credit, not 100%, but nonetheless, it's still, you've got some imputation credits there, which is useful. And you can see on the technicals here, on a scale of 0 to 2, so when we see technicals holding above 1, that bodes well for price appreciation potential. But again, keeping it all very simple, this is doing what it's programmed to do. Find those worry-free winners, the stocks that are trending up. You can see in recent times, certainly from that point onwards here, over the last, 4 years, 9 months, certainly been in a fairly strong uptrend. It's a bit of a bounce there leading into the US elections type thing, but it's bounced back up. And that's what it's all about, worry-free winners. So if you're a retiree wanting to find those stable left to right type trending stocks, search as retirement with a UniSearch, worry-free winners. This might be one that you want pay special attention to. If you're not a retirement investor, but you just want to find some of those smooth left to right trending stocks, and worry-free winners may very well be the one that you want to take a look at. I hope you got a lot out of the short presentation. I'll put the link there below. So if you want to take it a trial, the link below is there for you. Take it a 30-day trial. See what VectorVest can do for you. Hope you got a lot out of this. Until next time, bye for now.